south, east, west. My costume is the best. This is my exploration sheet. I have to find all these. I found an ant. Do you know the ant was the longest living insect? I'm going to take it. I found a fossil. Did you know that snail live everywhere on the earth? I'm going to take that. I know where we can find some worms. In the compost bin. They look yucky. Worms are good for the nature and the earth. Now I have to find the animal trail. I found the snail trail. I can't find the animal trail. I don't think there are any animal tracks around here. I found a dandelion. The seeds present the stars and the other part present the moon. It looks like the star and moon. Look, a tree on leaf. We can't pluck them because the tree sometimes are living. I found some acorns. Squirrel loves eating acorns. I found one bumblebee. Did you know that bumblebees hibernate underground? Look, I found so many pebbles. Though in my list it says walk, but it's okay. I can still take one pebble. Oh, I found a twig. I'm going to tick it off in my challenge sheet. Oh, that's in a I found the ladybug. Did you know they dead to defend themselves? And